it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our December 2024 Zoom class. With Zoom classes, there is a die requirement, so in this case, 3 dies from our latest release, as well as a foundation die of our Snowman Pop-up. Card 1 is going to help usher in the new year. It will be a Happy New Year card featuring those fireworks and the Happy New Year, 2 of the required dies. Now what's going to make them into a floating pop-up card is the use of our palm tree pop-up. But since the palm tree is not one of the required dies, those pieces will be pre-cut for you in the kit. Now this card design is going to be a good one to reuse for birthdays or really anything celebratory, including for those of you in the States, maybe 4th of July or other patriotic holidays. For our second card, we're going to combine that foundation die of the Snowman Pop-up along with the new Penguin and Reindeer Snowman add-ons. We're going to build a card with 2 folds in it, and it is winter themed, so we're going to stick with the penguin on one fold and then a snowman on the other. But you can absolutely make this card again and try it with those reindeer. So an extra technique in this class is going to be the conversion of the base so that the snowman will collapse on the diagonal instead of crashing into the penguin. All of the pattern papers came from Simple Stories, and the greeting on this card, Winter Hugs, came from our new stamp set called Winter Hugs. It will be pre-printed in the kit. The class kits for our Zoom classes are exclusive to our participating stores, and you will find a list on our website, karenburniston.com. Click on the Events tab. Your best value is going to be to bundle those 3 brand new dies with your paper pre-cuts and instructions into one bundle price, and then you would have to add on your foundation die if you didn't already own it. However, it does happen that sometimes people find out about the classes after they've already purchased 1 or more of the required dies. So when that happens, there is an option to get just your paper extras and instructions without dies. However, I want to be very clear that you still need the dies because your kit is going to be the bulk materials that are needed to create those cards. And then what will happen is 10 days before the class, you will get by email from the place where you bought your kit your prep work, your very detailed PDF instructions, a link to the prep work video at your own pace, and within those 10 days, you just have to get your prep work done. Then we meet together on Zoom to do the assembly. We do record the Zoom classes so that any student that can't make the class or you have to dive out early because you got another commitment, you can go and complete your projects off of the recording whenever you want to. You also have access to that recording to remake these projects again in other colors and themes as you so desire. We do not make Zoom recordings public, so you do need to be a kit holder to have access to that class day video. The Zoom session for this class is on December 7th, 2024. That is a Saturday starting at 11 a.m. Central. If you're interested, head over to our website, karenburniston.com, go to the Events tab, and there you will find a link to all of the stores that are making kits for this class. I will also throw a link in the description box below. Hope you can make it.